Hey, what's up, guys? It's Navarro here, June 11th, 2020, and it was a no trade Thursday for me. Um, and with good reason, guys. I know I texted some of you, or I texted on the WhatsApp chat, and you all let me know that the overall everything was going down. The overall market was down, and I checked Market Watch, and sure enough, I see the news. Dow Jones SPY down. Dow Jones down 1,800 points. I mean, crazy sell off, guys. Crazy sell off. So I started looking up why. Why is it selling off? And again, it's just the fear of a second wave of coronavirus, which, I mean, with all good reason, there's a spike in cases going up right now because of the reopening of states. So sure enough, the market sold off, and well, that got me thinking. Going back to January, February, mainly February, when this started coming about, the coronavirus spreading here in the United States, and the stocks that started moving with it. It's. Let me explain this. The SPY, the overall market is on a downtrend. It might be on a downtrend. That does not mean if the overall market gets on a or becomes a bear market again, that does not mean that there is not a bull market somewhere. There is. There will always be a bull market. We just need to find it. We just need to see what or in where the bull market is. So at this point in time, I'm thinking, okay, if we go back into a lockdown, or right now the fear of a second wave is here, even though we don't go back into a lockdown, what are people gonna do? People are gonna want food delivered. People are gonna want groceries delivered. People are gonna want long distance education. People are gonna want all that kind of stuff, contactless purchasing and stuff like that. So with that in mind, let's get to it, guys. By the way, I was not trading today because I was out at my daughter's tournament. She did awesome, by the way. Just a little information. She played her first nine-hole STPGA tournament, and she placed third. Third place on her first nine-hole tournament. That was awesome. Again, it's co-ed, boys and girls, and she knocked the ball around and showed them what she's made about. So I'm very proud of her. Hopefully on Monday she can do better, and she will. So I'll keep you posted on that. Back to the market, guys. For those of you that are watching the channel for the first time, if you want to get into trading, I did post a link down below on the YouTube channel for a Robinhood account that you can open and earn a free stock so you can get started in investing. That's the way people on the WhatsApp chat started, with a free stock. It's money, free money given to you that you can start trading with. Depending on the stock that you can get anything between $1 to $40 to $100. Again, it's whatever you get, but it's free money, and it's a way to get started. So that's posted down the link below. Go ahead and open your account if you'd like. If not, it's okay. Let's get right to it. So WTRH is the first one on watch for tomorrow. WTRH is Waiter Holdings. Waiter Holdings is a stock that delivers food to houses like Grubhub and stuff like that. Grubhub, of course, APRN, all of those services are trading higher. I don't trade any stocks over $10. Those are other good stocks that you can look into if you trade that kind of stock. But here in PennyStocksClub.com, Penny, Penny Stocks Club 13, we trade everything under $10, guys. So WTRH is on watch for that reason. It does have this little cup forming this little handle, and again, I like it over 250 over this red line that I have here, or I'm sorry, 275. This red line that I have here, and of course for the break of three to a push all the way up to the four level, which is right at a key level. At a good entry, we get a total of 44% return. It's a bear market. Keep that in mind. In Penny Stocks Club 13, 5 to 10% return on every trade is what we're looking for. So take profits along the way. 5 to 10%, lock in at least 75% of your sell at least 75% of your shares so that you can lock in profits, let the other 25% ride. That's the way to trade without stressing out over losing any type of money. So the next one is REDU. This is a long distance learning company similar to ZM. ZM is Zoom, which all educators like us are familiar with. Zoom made a killing during coronavirus lockdown, and if we go into a second wave and we get locked down again, guess what? ZM is gonna knock it out of the park. Google, all of that stuff. Google has also that platform. So Redu is the similar type of platform. Now, why is it this and watch? If the trend is down, it got rejected today. Okay, yeah, it got rejected, but had big volume. And then let's look at the closing price at 3 p.m. Central. Well, the last traded price was 361. Let's look at what is trading around after market right now, 5.32. If we go to the 1 day 3 minute, this is the end of day. The last traded price was 361, like I mentioned, like it says there. And the last traded price after market is right down here at 530 for a 40. If you look down here, when I'm up over here, 46% return. So that's the reason it's up, because people are understanding and realizing that if we go into a second lockdown, and we probably will because of all these spikes, then our EDU is gonna be a very valued stock because they provide long distance learning. REDU on watch. Next one on watch is LPTX. This one again, why do you haven't watched if it had a big sell off? Okay, it closed down here. Last rated price 2.18, 2.79 after market hours. Let's go to the 1 day 3 minute. So it closed down here, and right now it's trading at 280 was the last rated price at 7 p.m. Let's go back to the daily. So 280 was the last traded price. I had alerts here for the break of three, and I had this line. It's been here for a while because it broke above, got rejected again, got rejected again at the three level. So the three level is very key. It's very key. If it breaks over three, or if it comes and tests three at 290 or 295, I'll probably buy a starter, just a starter. With this bear market, I don't want to go in with a full position. I'll probably buy a starter and then go with half size position over the break of three, just for a 5 to 10% move. Again, it might make a higher move all the way to 340 after this. I mean, there is really no more information unless you go to the 3 year, 3 week, or 1 week chart. And I did have another line here already set to the four level. That does not mean it's gonna get there. It got rejected here at the 348, 350 level. So again, 340 would be perfect for profit taking. 340, guys. And again, it does not mean it's gonna get there. That's just my idea. 340 would be a, if it breaks over three, even 320, because you got this recent rejection at 318. And if you do go in right before, like I say, I like to buy before it breaks three and sell at 320. That's an 8% return. Again, penny stocks club 13, 5 to 10% return. It's awesome. Amen. LPTX. Next one and last one for today, KBSF. There are plenty more, guys. This is just stuff that I watch, that I put on watch for you guys. Hopefully, if I'm not around, you all can revert back to these videos and make your trading plan and trade the plan and make some money. This one is a higher risk trade. The reason being, got rejected at the 180. Again, the green line is the 180 SMA, simple moving average. Got rejected here, got rejected, broke above it, got rejected, broke above it, got rejected, and you see the pattern. Rejection, 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 rejection. So it does not hold any levels. The reason for this, or reason I'm saying this, is because I would not hold a stock like this for swing trading. Okay, unless it confirms an absolute monster move with some news, then maybe you want to do that. But right now, it'll only set up for day trade over 240, 250 to 275, and to the three level. That would be the highest I would go. That's about a 20% return. 275, that would be where I would take profits on a day trade setup. Okay, now, and after saying that, I'm gonna take that back because currently it's trading at 265. I apologize for that. So we go here to the 1 day 3 minute. It did close at 267. So at this point, I would like it over 275. Over 275, which is this rejection right here, somewhere here. 275 for a push of three, that would be a 10% return. Okay, so that's KBSF. Again, this one I am not in love with. I really, you know what, if you're not, I guess we can scratch this one off the list. Honestly, I guess I put it here because it's gapping up and because it broke above the 180. So, it's looking bullish in my eyes, but it's a higher risk trade. I don't want you guys to lose money on it. So, do me a favor and learn from this. Again, I'm here to share my knowledge, and after reviewing this in this video, it opened up my eyes right now, and I say, you know what, this is a no go. This is too high of a risk trade, and if you don't know what you're doing, what you're trading, then I don't recommend you trading this. We'll leave this one to the professionals. Again, I am not a professional. I am merely a student of this stock trading stuff. So I just share my knowledge, and hopefully, I continue to grow as a trader. So far, it's been working out for us. But at this point, I would not recommend this stock, and I'm glad I put it up here so that the next time that you see something like this and you feel you want to trade it, now at least you know what, I watched this video and they mentioned rejection, 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 rejection. So that means it doesn't hold level. So why would I want to hold something for a swing trade like in this kind of pattern? So again, hopefully this is a good lesson that you learned from this video, not to trade this kind of stocks. So guys, that is it for me. We'll scratch off KBSF off the watch list, and hope you guys like and enjoy the video. I hope, especially on this one, you learned a little bit about not trading just any kind of stock just because it's moving up. So, hope you like and subscribe. Be careful out there. Market is on a sell-off. Take profits when you have them, and tomorrow's Friday, guys. Let's try to finish the week up on a green note. I know. I just want to share a little bit of the text that I shared on the WhatsApp chat today. One of the members posted big returns, and from the callouts that we've had this week, 150%, 125. They gave some back today. So shout out to Mr. Osuna for the 125% return on his account after resetting his account to $100. He had already taken some profits out, had some money in his bag, and then after he reset it to $100, again we trade with small accounts, so that's awesome here. And he got his account all the way up to 225 from the callouts this week. And I'm pretty sure there's more that haven't posted that. So I'm really happy with that. My account is healthy and it's up and it's green as well. Tomorrow I will be paying myself heftily. I will be paying myself big time, guys. That's all I can say. And if I go on vacation, it's all paid for from stock trading, guys. So I'm hoping COVID-19 goes away so that I can take a vacation worry free and all paid for through the stock market, guys. Let's keep it going. Let's keep on sharing. Let's keep on learning. Let's keep it rolling. Thank you, guys. We'll see you later.